In the dynamic world of logistics, prioritizing employee wellness is crucial for sustained success. Long hours, physical demands, and tight deadlines can take a toll, impacting both mental and physical health. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is key. Encourage regular breaks during shifts, ensuring time for rest and recovery. Physical exercise, even in short bursts, can alleviate stress and boost energy levels. Additionally, provide resources for mental well-being, promoting open communication and support systems. Encourage employees to disconnect after work to prevent burnout. Adequate sleep and a balanced diet further contribute to overall health. Emphasize the importance of seeking help when needed. By fostering a culture of wellness, logistics companies can enhance employee morale, reduce turnover, and boost productivity. Your well-being is our priority. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and empowering your logistics team.